Hello, customers. In this video, I am going to show you how to manage hours in ListView and DayView. First, you need to log into your account and then click on ListView. ListView and OpenTime Clock allows users to see and manage time entries, employee schedules, and attendance records in a streamlined format. It provides an overview, making it easier to track hours worked, edit entries, and analyze data efficiently. So there are lots of functions here that I'm going to show you on how to use. ListView works by displaying entries in a tabular format, where you can see each employee's hours, clock-ins, and clock-outs at a glance. You can sort, filter, and edit entries directly from this view, making it easier to manage and track time data. In here, you will be able to see multiple employee time card. For this demo account, there is no record for any employees yet. So since this is just a demo account, there are only two users, which is the admin user and then the sample employee. I will discuss first all of these tabs. For this drop-down button, once you click on this, if your company has different department, then you can filter this one and then look for the specific department. For example, you have another department. Once you have clicked on that, then all of the people or all of the users on that specific department will only be the ones showing in here. For this one, this is where you filter the dates, like for example you want to see the clock-ins and clock-outs of the employees for the month of the whole October. So you need to filter the month for this, the start and the end date. It will show you the whole month clock-ins and clock-outs of your employees. And then for this drop-down button, once you click on this, it will just allow you to choose what specific jobs or absences you want to look for. For example, you want to look for people or users who are on their personal leave. Then you can just click on that and then filter that one. You can also select or deselect this one or select all of this, so all of the people or all of the information will be shown here. But then since this is just a demo account, it will not show it here yet. Group by date. Once you select this, as you can see, it will be grouped by date. So it is the function of this one for you to easily track the dates of the clock in and clock out of your employees. And from here, as you can see, search by name. Let's say, for example, you have a lot of employees, so if it's hard for you to look at them, you can just go ahead and click this one and then search for the employee, like for example. Then it will only show the name of that specific employee that you have searched. And then for this part, as you can see, it will show the total hours of your employees that have worked for the whole period of time that you have filtered here. And then, as you can see, it will also show you the unpaid hours and then the paid hours. Let's say, for example, you've set up it for all paid hours. Since we do not have any information here yet, let's say for example you want to add an absence or a PTO for this specific employee. Once you click on this green button, Add an Absence, it will allow you to choose what specific department is the person you're gonna make some PTO, and then you just need to click on the specific employee. Let's say for example this one, and then let's say the absence that you want to add is 31st, and then select the PTO name. Let's say it's for personal vacation, and then, if it's 8 hours, you just need to indicate here, and then you can also put your comments here. And then after that you just need to click on Add or Add Next if you are going to have another employees to add for a PTO. So as you can see, the date, which is October 31st, will be here, and the total hours, and then the name of the job or the absence or the PTO will be shown here. So that's how adding absence works. Let's say, for example, an employee forgot to clock in or clock out, and you, as a manager or as an admin, wants to add a time in record for your employee. We just need to click on Add Entry. Let's say, for example, our sample account, which is this one. And then let's say today this person forgot to clock in. So we just need to select on the job name if you have set it up this on your account. So you just need to also select the time, let's say 9 to 6 p.m. And then if this person is still working on the day that you have added this time record, then you just need to click on this one. But if not, if the day was already over, then you just need to click on this and then you put some note. Let's say forgot to clock in and out, then you just need to click on Add. So here, this employee, as you can see, Rosie, already have her record for the day, and then you can see the time in, the time out, the total hours, the name or the job work or the job name, and that it will show here, as well as the comment of the admin or the manager. And for add adjustment, let's say, for example, you're going to have some adjustment for your specific employee, you just need to click on that, click the date, and then click on Edit, Add Adjustment Type. Let's say, for example, deduction. So you just need to click on that, and then enter the amount. You can choose amount or you can also choose hours. So if it's less than 0, then it means deduction. Let's say we will deduct 2 hours. You can put your comment here and then click on Add. So as you can see, the deduction or the adjustment will also be shown here. So that is how this 3 button here works for our list view. For import Excel, so this is, for example, you want to input a user is here, so you just need to please download this Excel template file and then you input the information from there, and then that's the one that you need to upload in here to import the data. So that's how our list view works in OpenTime Clock. Next, we also have here Day View. The Day View provides users with a comprehensive overview of employee schedules, clock-ins, and clock-outs for a specific day. As you can see, it is more detailed than the list view, but they have the same function. It displays all employees scheduled to work, including their assigned shifts, and shows real-time clock-in and clock-out times for easy attendance monitoring. Additionally, it offers details about each shift, such as start and end times and breaks, while highlighting any missed punches or scheduling conflicts. Managers can also make necessary adjustments directly from this view, ensuring efficient daily operations and accurate tracking of employee hours. So first, we have here again where you can filter the dates, or you can filter the departments, you can filter the employees. So let's say we have an employee here. And then you can also see here Approve. So, for this one, it is just, for example, when all of this clock ends, you are approving it as an employee, then you just need, or as an admin or a manager, you just need to click on Approve. It also has the group by date, just like in the list view. And here, you can see the total hours of work, the regular hours of work, the overtime, and the double pay. And then from here you can also see it, the total hours, the unpaid hours, and the paid hours. All the dates, clock-ins, clock-outs, the regular time, OT, double time, PTO, paid and unpaid, the total, the job, and the absence or the PTOs, the shift. So it means all the detailed information will be here regarding the employee's time card. Once you click on Edit, it is just the same with the list view. You just need to click if it's work hours, absence, or PTO adjustment, and then the same function in the list view. And if there is something that you need to edit here, you just need to click on Edit, and then make some edits here. For example, you need to adjust the time. Click on Save. And then, if you need to delete this specific time card, you just need to click on Delete. So that's how our day view and list view works in Open Time Clock. Thank you.